Rahim. Dear students, I am your teacher Shumaila Ishaq and today I will tell you about atoms and elements. As we are quite knowing that atom is the smallest particle of the matter which can exist in nature, and it is so small that it can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. And Democritus was a Greek philosopher who for the first time told us about atom. And Democritus used the word atomus, meaning indivisible. As I've just told you, that atoms are indivisible. Now, we can take an example of helium atom. This is the structure of helium atom. Helium's atomic number is 2 and mass number is 4. So, we can also write it as helium 2, 4. This is the atomic number and this is the mass number. Now, the structure of helium is as such. The central portion is called nucleus. Always remember, nucleus contains positive protons and neutral particles called neutrons. Then these are the shells. This is the K shell. K shell contains 2 electrons. And always remember that we assign or allot as much protons as are the number of electrons. So, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons, and in the nucleus 2 protons are present, so we'll arrange 2 electrons in the shells. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the circular paths, and these circular paths are called shells or orbits. So, we have studied about atoms, that atoms are the indivisible particles and they can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. And there are greater atoms which are reacting and which are combining with the other atoms. And whenever atoms they combine with other atoms, then they form molecules. Whenever atoms they combine with other atoms, they form molecules. I can tell you it by giving an example of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom reacts with another hydrogen atom and a hydrogen molecule is formed. So this concept should also be cleared, that this is also hydrogen atom, this is also hydrogen atom, and both of these hydrogen atoms combine, and as a result of this combination, a hydrogen molecule is formed. This is also atom, this is also atom, and both atoms combined to form molecule. Then this is the explanation. Then other molecules can also be formed by the combination of atoms. Now I can tell you that the Democritus, who was a great Greek philosopher, used the word atomus, meaning indivisible, that is, which is not able to be divided, that is, which is so small that we cannot divide it further. Now we are coming towards an element. We are coming towards the element. Now we should know what is an element. We can say that an element is a pure substance that is made up of one type of the atoms only. That is, if there is gold, then gold is formed of the by the combination of gold elements only. There is iron, then iron is made up of the iron atoms only. That is, again I can explain, that is the gold elements. They combine, gold atoms combine and then they form an element. That is gold atoms. They combine and form an element of gold. Similarly, the atoms of silver combine to form the element silver. In the similar way, the atoms of the paper, they combine to form the element paper. In the similar way, the atoms of the plastic, they combine to form the substance plastic. So we can say that an element is a pure substance that is formed by the combination of only one type of the atoms. So I'm sure you must have got a lot of knowledge about atoms, elements, and moreover